Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to complete your fitness log for OdysseyWare PE classes. To get started, go ahead and go to the student portal through the CalPAC website. Click on Student and Parent Login. Choose your correct school from the left-hand side. Enter in your username and password. And log in. You're now on your student portal. And normally you would come here, you click on OdysseyWare and jump to your classes. Instead, you're going to click on Activities Log. And then change your log type to Write in PE. This should change to physical education, so make sure you change it to Write in PE. And then click Review Log. And you'll be able to scroll down and see that you can now enter in PE activity for each school day. Now remember, you need 40 minutes of PE activity for each school day to get full credit for your PE class. And your fitness log is worth 50% of your PE grade, so it's really important that you are keeping up with this every day. Now to enter in your fitness activity, you need to be very specific about how you enter it in. You always need to put the minutes first. And it must be in minutes, no hours. Everything must be in minutes. So for example here, I can put 40, then the next thing is a space. I can write minutes, and then I will put in my PE activity, running. And then you can add a short description. I ran 2 miles in 40 minutes. Okay, just like that. You're going to go ahead and do that for all of your school days. So I'm going to come down here, enter in again, 40 minutes. Again, everything must be in minutes and the number must come first. If you do not put the number first, you will not get credit. Also, don't put anything else. You need to just have the number and a space before writing anything else. No punctuation, no colons, no dashes, no slashes, just the number in minutes, a space, and then your activity. Just like this, and keep going all the way down. So again, minutes first, the number, and then a space, and you can write minutes and your activity. Now also do not put in things like walked with the dog, walked to the store, walked to get food. Just put in the activity itself. Anything else you won't get credit for. So again, minutes need to go first. So the number, then a space, then your activity, and it must just be a regular activity. Do not put who you did it with, where you went, anything like that. Just keep it focused on the physical activity itself. When you're done updating your log, go ahead and hit Save Changes. And you should see this green, your log entries have been saved. If you do not see this, that means your entries were not saved. So make sure to hit Save Changes again so that you get credit for the work you entered in. And that is it for updating your fitness log.